Not every piece of senior gear gets attention, but rollator walkers quietly do some of the most important work. They may not be stylish, but they're essential tools for maintaining safety, stability, and independence. Whether you're looking for something lightweight, easy to fold, or built for rougher outdoor use, choosing the right walker can make daily movement smoother and safer. In this video, we're counting down the top 6 best rollator walkers for seniors for 2025 based on features like ease of use, portability, terrain performance, and overall value. All product links are listed in the description below. Number 6. Planetwalk Premium 3-Wheel Rollator Walker. At number 6 on our list is the Planetwalk Premium 3-Wheel Rollator Walker, a solid option for seniors who want simple, no-frills mobility without the bulk of a traditional 4-wheeled model. It earns this spot for its compact, lightweight design and ease of movement, especially in smaller indoor spaces. The standout feature here is its 3-wheel setup, which gives it excellent maneuverability in tight hallways, narrow doorways, or cluttered rooms. Compared to 4-wheel walkers, this one turns more sharply and moves with a bit more fluidity, ideal for someone who needs occasional support but doesn't rely on it constantly. Weighing in at just around 11 to 13 pounds, the Planetwalk is easy to lift, fold, and store. It collapses quickly and can fit easily into a car trunk or closet. The foldable aluminum frame keeps things light without feeling flimsy, and the addition of a removable storage pouch means you can carry personal items, groceries, or small essentials without needing an extra bag. Ergonomic handbrakes are built into the handles, offering solid stopping power when needed, and they lock in place for added safety when standing still. That said, this walker isn't built for outdoor trails or bumpy sidewalks. The smaller wheels and 3-point structure don't perform well on uneven terrain, and since it doesn't have a seat, it's better suited for short walks or indoor errands rather than longer outings. Overall, the Planetwalk 3-wheel walker is a smart pick for users who prioritize indoor agility, storage convenience, and lightweight handling over all-day outdoor use. Number 5. Kaxilu Lightweight Folding Steel Rollator Walker. Taking the 5th spot is the Kaxilu Lightweight Folding Steel Rollator Walker, a practical and affordable option for seniors who want basic mobility support with the added comfort of a seat. It's a step up in stability and functionality, especially for those who prefer to rest between walks or errands. Built with a steel frame, this walker offers a sturdier feel than lightweight aluminum models. While that does add a bit of weight, it comes in at around 18 pounds. The added durability can be a worthwhile trade-off, particularly for users who want something that feels solid and reliable beneath them. The padded seat and backrest provide a comfortable resting spot when needed, and the seat height is well suited for most average-height seniors. Underneath, there's a built-in storage bag that's roomy enough to hold essentials like a purse, water bottle, or small groceries. It rolls on 6-inch wheels, which perform well on smooth indoor flooring, sidewalks, and paved walkways. Locking handbrakes are integrated into the handles for better control and added safety when stopping or sitting. This rollator folds easily, making it simple to store in a closet or transport in a car trunk. The folding mechanism is straightforward and doesn't require much force, something that matters for seniors with limited hand strength. One potential downside is that the smaller wheels aren't ideal for uneven terrain like grass or gravel, but for everyday indoor use or casual neighborhood walks, it holds up well. If you're looking for a budget-friendly walker with the basics, seat, brakes, storage, and solid build, without the higher price tag of more advanced models, the Kaxilu is a strong and sensible option. Number 4. Healconnex 8-inch 4-wheel Rollator Walker. Landing at number 4 is the Healconnex 8-inch 4-wheel Rollator Walker, a balanced mid-range option that offers a strong mix of comfort, portability, and outdoor capability. It's a great choice for seniors who need support both indoors and outside without dealing with a heavy or bulky frame. The walker features 8-inch wheels, which strike a good balance between size and versatility. They handle indoor surfaces smoothly but also roll well on sidewalks, paved paths, and other flat outdoor areas. While not truly all-terrain, they offer more stability and cushioning than the smaller 6-inch wheels found on some budget models. Its aluminum frame helps keep the overall weight down, making it easier to fold, lift, and transport. Despite being lightweight, it feels stable during use and can support up to 300 pounds. The seat is comfortably padded, and the adjustable handles make it easier to customize the fit for users of different heights. There's also a zippered storage pouch beneath the seat, perfect for small shopping trips or carrying everyday items. A built-in cane holder is another helpful detail for users who alternate between mobility aids. Lock-in brakes are built into the ergonomic handles, providing solid control whether you're walking or stopping to sit. One minor drawback is the seat width, which may feel a little snug for users who prefer a roomier sitting space. Still, For many, it's a non-issue. Overall, the Healconnex is a well-rounded rollator walker that offers comfort, convenience, and a bit more outdoor flexibility, without the bulk or weight of a heavy-duty model. Number 3. MAXWALK 12-inch all-terrain rolling walker. Coming in at number 3 is the MAXWALK 12-inch all-terrain rolling walker, a top pick for seniors who want reliable support across a variety of surfaces. What sets this walker apart is its terrain capability, making it a strong choice for outdoor use where typical rollators might struggle. The standout feature is its large 12-inch front wheels, paired with built-in shock absorbers that help reduce impact on rough ground. Whether it's gravel driveways, grassy parks, or cracked sidewalks, this walker is designed to keep you stable and comfortable without wobbling or catching. Despite its rugged performance, the aluminum frame keeps the weight reasonable, so it's not overly heavy when lifting or folding. The seat height is slightly higher than standard, which can be more comfortable for taller users, and the wide padded seat with a sturdy backrest makes resting feel secure and supportive. It folds inward from the sides, keeping it relatively compact for transport, though it is a bit bulkier than smaller models once folded, something to keep in mind if storage space is limited. Another nice touch is the internally routed brake cables, giving the walker a cleaner look and removing the risk of cables snagging on things while in use. This rollator is ideal for active seniors or anyone living in suburban or rural areas where sidewalks aren't always smooth. While not the smallest or lightest option, it excels in stability and all-surface performance. In short, if outdoor comfort and control over uneven ground are your top priorities, the MAXWALK delivers where it counts. Number 2. BlessReach Heavy-Duty Rollator Walker 450-pound capacity. At number 2 is the BlessReach Heavy-Duty Rollator Walker, built for those who need a walker that offers more support without sacrificing convenience. With a weight capacity of up to 450 pounds, this is an ideal option for bariatric users or anyone who wants extra room and stability. What makes it stand out is its reinforced steel frame, which offers strength and durability, but still folds for transport. Despite its heavy-duty classification, it weighs just around 20 to 23 pounds, making it manageable for most users to lift or store. The extra-wide padded seat provides more space and comfort when taking a break, and the padded backrest adds support while sitting. The seat height is designed to accommodate both average and larger users without feeling too low. It rides on 8-inch heavy-duty wheels, offering smooth movement on indoor flooring, sidewalks, and even light outdoor terrain like parking lots or paved trails. The wider frame creates a secure, stable feel when walking or resting, which can make a big difference in overall confidence. Dual handbrakes are mounted on ergonomic handles, giving the user full control when slowing down or locking the wheels before sitting. There's also a roomy storage bag under the seat for carrying personal items or small essentials. The only trade-off is that its wider build takes up more space when folded, which may make it tricky to fit into compact trunks or tight storage areas. Still, for users who value strength, space, and all-around support, the BlessReach is a strong performer that brings both stability and comfort to the table, earning its place near the top of the list. Number 1. VOCIC Z21 Rollator Walker with Seat. Taking the top spot on our list is the VOCIC Z21 Rollator Walker with Seat. The well-rounded walker that checks all the right boxes for seniors who want a comfortable, portable, and user-friendly design for everyday use. It stands out not because it over-delivers in one area, but because it balances all the essentials in a compact, easy-to-handle package. The foldable frame is both sturdy and lightweight, weighing in at around 17 pounds, making it manageable for most users to lift or stow in a car trunk. It folds inward and even stands on its own when folded, which makes it easier to store without needing to lean it against a wall. It's equipped with 8-inch wheels, giving it smooth performance on most surfaces, like indoor floors, paved sidewalks, or grocery store aisles. The ride feels quiet and controlled, and the brakes are responsive without being jerky, helping maintain steady movement. The padded seat features ergonomic back support, allowing users to sit comfortably during breaks. A large storage bag is located under the seat, and extra touches like a built-in cup holder and cane holder add everyday convenience. Adjustable handle height makes it a better fit for seniors of various heights, helping reduce strain on shoulders and wrists. The only real limitation is that it's not designed for rough or uneven outdoor terrain. Hiking trails or grassy areas may be too much for it to handle. Still, the VOCIC Z21 earns its place at number 1 for being a thoughtfully designed walker that blends comfort, stability, and portability. For seniors looking for a dependable everyday companion, this model hits the sweet spot. That wraps up our list of the top 6 rollator walkers for seniors in 2025. Thanks for watching. We hope this helped you find the right fit for your needs or loved ones. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned, all the links are listed in the description below. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment and let us know which walker you're leaning toward or already using. Take care and see you next time.